Hello everyone and welcome to Limenius Lab. This is Val, and on today's video, PROTOGLOVE. But before that, a little bit of history. So, some of you may know, this is my first glove, called Zipline. It does look like a first glove. It's very clunky, uncomfortable, even painful if you wear it for too long. I used rubber bands to strap it down properly. Electronics is a little bulky. Controller mounting is weird. Anyway, good first prototype, as in it shows that there's a long way to go. So a long way I did go. Yep, long way. Anyway. Long story short, after a few months of design, I landed up on this glove, Overflow. You can start to see a few things that PROTOGLOVE has, such as the modules that you can simply snap fit onto the fingers and put back in. Baseplate is similar. The controller placement is about the right place. Logic board, same. The thumb plate, found a solution for that. Don't mind the wrist, it's an experiment. And the harness. Only problem is this glove is not fully modular. It's gonna be this glove. It's gonna have those modules that are super glued to the base plate. That's not really the goal. It's more a research project. But this is the idea. For example, if we take those modules and go over to PROTOGLOVE, we can take the same modules and snap them in place, and it works. So, after a few months of designing parts and figuring out about the right shape for everything, I started designing PROTOGLOVE, which is a modular prototyping platform for VR haptic gloves with force feedback, finger tracking, whatever you want actually. As you can see, it's got the snap fit finger guides that I call proto guides, a base plate that can also have some modules that snap fit in place. This is totally not viable as of right now, but this is just to show. There. I'm gonna use some pliers. And there it's secured. Main point of this is that everything is modular, that you can put on whatever you want, take them off, upgrade, side grade, experiment. You can even put whatever controller mount you want in there. I have a pin right there, it's a nail, it's a small nail, that can adjust the angle if you have a lower profile glove. Whatever you want, whatever you need. You can also take out that pin, the axle, put, for example, a tracker mount or a universal controller mount, whatever, as you want. There's also a thumb plate, which is approximately placed at the root of the finger joint, right over it. And this is the solution I found to track the splay on the thumb is to track it from here. You see when you push out your thumb as far back as you can see a hole forming here between two. That's about the root of the thumb. That's where the middle of the thumb plate is, at this snap point. And everything's aligned. Every part is made to be 3D printed with minimum amount of support. So the Proto Guide do need support because they are curved at the bottom and they are printed flat like this. So tree support, easy to remove, just to support that arch. Makes for better fit on the fingers. I do include a few ESP32 mounts. Yours may not fit. Contact me, I'll try to make something or do it yourself. Everything is included to make new modules. The harness, it's made with 15mm wide by 1mm thick nylon strap. It's, well, let's test fit that then. It's really easy to make, just a bit of super glue. Overall assembly is quite simple. There's going to be a video of assembling the right glove because that's my left glove. All the parts are there. So harness with the palm piece that you can put an LRA, vibration haptics. Everything snap fit in place. Overall it's quite comfortable. This base plate is arched to fit the back of the hand, and it has some folding points on which your hand can move it a little more. You can test with a controller. Controller position right now is about the best place I found. That is, it's not in the way really, because once you start adding stuff here it gets crowded. So I like to have it here, and it's not occluded because I'm using inside-out tracking on my headset. Every STL files will be available on probably GitHub, but the folder is quite heavy, so that might overload my GitHub account. Build instructions coming very soon. I'll be building this glove on video, the right one. PROTOGLOVE is available in every size and shape you want, every part. The base plate comes from size EU 5 inches, that's in circumference at the palm, like right there. From 5 to 13 inches should be good enough for one size over and one size under. So theoretically from size 4 to 14 with 5 base plates. Base plates come in a variety of shape and sizes. There's a total of 400 base plates, maybe 100 different Proto Guide with sizes and options. There's a few controller mounts for controllers such as Quest, Reverb G2, Windows Mixed Reality, tracker mounts for Vive trackers, Tundra trackers, and maybe Stongs when that comes out. PROTOGLOVE will be released with a base module that will have splay tracking and curl tracking with either one pot for the curl of the whole finger or per joint tracking like this and this, whichever you want. That's going to be available pretty soon.
If you want to support me or this project, you can spare a few bucks a month on my Patreon. It would help a lot. You can subscribe to this channel or join my Discord to share your ideas, or if you need help building your glove. All links are in the description. More on PROTOGLOVE very soon. Thanks for watching.